Hi there, students. A titan, a countable noun. You could have an adjective, Titanic, and I guess even an adjective, titanically. Okay, a titan is a person who is very powerful, very strong, very important. So, I don't know, Messi is one of the titans of football. Liverpool or Manchester United are titans of English football. Shell or BP are titans of the oil industry. Okay, so yeah, Coca-Cola and Pepsi-Cola are titans of the soft drinks industry. Einstein was an intellectual titan. Yeah, he's a titan of all the scientists. So perhaps were Copernicus and Tycho Brahe as well. Okay, so a titan, somebody who's really important. They've got great strength, great intellect, great importance. Particularly this phrase, a titan of industry. I think that collocates quite nicely. Something of gigantic size, gigantic power, something that stands out for its greatness or its achievements. So definitely a titan of industry. If you describe somebody as a titan, you mean that they are very important, very powerful, very successful in that field. I guess Bill Gates is a titan in the IT industry, or Warren Buffett is a titan in the world of investment. Shakespeare is a titan in Renaissance literature. Okay, so they are really important people, titans of industry. Okay, the most important people within industry. So these are titans. They are of titanic importance. Now, notice a titan can also be one of the primordial gods. Yeah, before there were the gods on Mount Olympus in Greek mythology. Before that, you had the Titans, and the Titans were the sons and daughters of Gaia the Earth. Yeah, Gaia the Earth and Uranus the sky. There were 6 male Titans: Oceanus, Coeus, Creus, Hyperion, Lapetus and Cronus, and 6 female Titans: Thea, Rhea, Themis, Mycomene, and Phoebe and Tethys. Okay, so these are the original gods and goddesses, yeah, who came from the primordial deities of Gaia the Earth. Yeah. Okay, so Titans, yeah, they were effectively very important. They were the former gods before they were the generation of gods before the gods on Mount Olympus. Okay, so Titans, and then this adjective Titanic, like the ship, the Titanic. Having very great size, very great power, very great strength. So yeah, as in the ship, the Titanic. I guess also Titanic or Titanic related to titanium as well, but I don't think that's so relevant. Okay, so a titan of industry. 5.56 informality, use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, well, this clearly comes from ancient Greek, titan. Yeah, a titan, talking about the Titans, the gods. Yeah, Titanes. Yeah, Hoi Titanes, the pre-Olympian gods. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Titanic.